Before this conversation started, I said, are we going to keep it honest or are we going to lie?
So she is lying and
No,
I'm being
I'm honest. I'm honest. She's lying.
सब हीरोइनों का बदला हो रहा है आज पूरा सबको जो भिगोया है. One day you all both came to my house and I thought के मुझे you want me to choreograph something for your movie or last March you came?
Yeah. Okay, Farah, we are coming because we want you to act in the movie.
Yeah.
And like she was shocked, saying, "Are you serious? You are joking?"
Because
She's also pretending.
I was genuinely shocked. I was some 82 kilos. I don't know what and who will think that to take me. You can see I'm on a strict diet because I want to be size 0 with 1-2 figures in front of it. So they've asked me to eat sev batara puri and bhel puri every day. The intention is to get jaundice so that I lose weight.
You know what, Farah? What we saw in you, nobody saw.
That is a fact.
And you know, I really thought.
Shame on you.
Yeah.
Even my husband has not seen
I
it.
want to ask you one question. What did you see in her?
I saw something very beautiful. Yes, she's got the brains also.
No, I thought they are mental fun. I'm saying that I was
Thought she looked
mental.
beautiful?
I did. She, you know, I always looked at Farah. I always thought of Barbara Streisand and Farah.
The nose, it's the nose.
The nose, the eyes. Huh? Barabar Jona. Look at her properly, yeah, Farah. This is your Shireen. Chhe jara, you know, that is why in the movie also I gave her that kind of hairstyle.
Superb.
I want to know his honest matlab reaction जब when you and Sanjay told him that it's me going to play Shireen.
I really checked honest.
Everything honest.
Honest. So he said, Farah. You know.
I didn't say anything. I
No,
was
you
stand-
first
I was
said
standing
Farah.
outside.
You
I
said
was standing
Farah.
outside the wall. I'll tell you.
No, we
I
were
was
down.
standing 1 foot away from the wall.
Yeah.
So the moment I said, we are thinking of casting Farah, and
Acha, acha.
What a
Yeah, you
overreaction.
did see
Yeah.
Farah. There's a
Farah?
dent. There's a dent on the wall. में थोड़ा dent भी.
No,
I
he
was,
told me he was in shock.
I was
when
in
I
shock.
told him.
Farah.
And then it took him a little while, you know.
10 minutes.
हाँ, थोड़ी मिनट के बाद सोचा से actually देखने जाओ तो it's
Why
not a
did you
bad
change
idea.
I
didn't
know.
like, you
I
know.
said it's a
It's a
great
great,
idea.
yeah.
No,
it's a
you
great-
changed your mind when your wife told you this.
No, I said it's a great idea. Then I went home and I told Zenobia, and Zenobia said, "What a fantastic idea, Baman! This is the casting. You must do this film just for the sake of the casting." The English to original line बोलो.
यहाँ का साइड्स दो कीर्ति
तेरा कैमरा में चिल्ला तो अच्छा लगता है मुझे बहुत कोई बड़ा एक्टर है मालूम करता है
Before everyone is only talking कि मेरे को कैसा रोल दिया. I'm feeling like पता नहीं कहाँ से रास्ते में से उठा के रोल दे दिया. How did you think of Burman as a hero?
8-9 years back, Burman.
No, 12 years ago.
12 years
Burman
ago.
was not even in films then. No.
Yeah.
So what, they just saw a handsome face coming on the road?
Burman, Mancher and myself, we three were used to
Mancher's
meet up
house.
here.
Mancher Wadia is the co-writer of the
Yeah,
film.
Mancher Wadia is the co-writer with Sanjay.
Yeah.
So we were at his house and she said, I've got this wonderful story idea. And then I think the story idea went to Punjab and Bengal.
Yeah,
It went
it
all
just
over the
went,
place.
we don't know where it
It
went.
went all over the place.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of actors were considered at
Yeah,
some point.
yeah.
And then I thought the idea came when the dual casting, when they thought of Farah with you and I. Really, how did you then finally cast me after all this going around the
No,
country?
because you know what, I eventually thought कि Punjabi बहुत हो गया. I said we had started off with Parsi thing. Why are we, you know, diverging from that? We should stick to the earlier plan that we had. And I said I don't want to do anything else. I just want to do this.
But
And
how did it
Sanjay
come to
also.
me? Just because I'm a Parsi, you cast me?
No, just because we had started off as you as a very good actor, yeah. I don't think any other actor would have done this.
No,
What a role! What you've done? You created magic on
More
screen.
than anything, I'm telling you, you're the best thing in this movie. I've never been so moved by a performance.
ये शीरीन फुग्गे वाले को तो मैं बराबर कर दूंगी.
फिक्र मत करो, मैं आज ही ऑफिस पे जाके उसका फुग्गा बस करके आता हूँ.
मारो टाइगर. पता है वो मम्मी ने 2 ही काम तो अच्छे किए थे। एक ये टांकी बनाई थी, एक मेरा बेटे को पैदा कराया।
इसका
फराड जल्दी कर, इंडिया चली जाएगी। अरे फराड अभी गयो।
Boman and Farhad both are such sincere boys. They are the type you want to marry, and you know that he will be there for you. And I miss the boat, but Farhad also, when you see, he's like, why is he not got married? He's such a sweet guy. And he will be there exactly. And they both, I've been to his house where he's looked after his mummy. How old is your mom now?
84.
She's 84, and they still have a banter like Farhad and his mother. So that I think is a common trait.
Your performance, I think this is the best performance I think in your. Yeah, really, this is
And
the
he
best
is
performance.
going to be the sex symbol of so many Parsis.
I think he's romanced and he's danced.
He's a
and
Parsi pin-up boy he's going to be. Especially that Nanga Punga scene where my children
Nanga
walked
Punga?
in.
You should be awkward, you have to be very awkward.
Yeah, that's lovely.
When he was doing his semi-nude scene, remember? All my children.
सारी फिल्म एक टॉवल का सीन बनता ही है।
हाँ, बनता
तो
ही
ये
है।
टाइम मेरे को दे दिया हमेशा।
लेकिन ये फारा कितनी स्मार्ट ना, उसने 3 बच्चों को और मदर इन लॉ को लेके
I
आई।
swear I didn't know. They probably thought we are doing a porn film or something.
No, let me tell you one thing. 3 बच्चों, mother-in-law and 3
3 maids and then all sat in front of you.
And this is the scene. I'm sitting in a towel like this. और सबको मैंने बोला, सब लोग इस तरह हो जाओ. I don't know. Let people enjoy. इसी पे बात नहीं.
As they move, the 3 kids are behind.
3 kids and the 3 maids and the mother-in-law standing there only, and they're looking that way.
And then my daughter went home and said, Uncle ka pum dekha. And I don't know what Shirish thought, what movie I'm shooting, what is happening in this shoot. That is one of the highlight scenes. I've done it, but when I saw it, I fell down laughing in the movie.
That's true.
Yeah.
You can't help yourself
Yeah,
from
it's
laughing.
just so stupid and so funny.
Take 2.
Action!
Sorry, Siri.
मैं अपना काम कर रहा था, प्लीज एक बार तो मुझे दिखाने दीजिए, हमारा नया रेंज है वो, प्लीज मैम. You as a salesman, I mean, I can't believe how you sold those bras, you know. I mean, it was unbelievable.
He had a lot
yaar.
of fun
He was
doing
so
our-
good. I really felt like this is like a salesman.
देखो, बैठो ना. ये जो है अपना सिल्की आइटम. That's बहुत soft. I didn't want to tell her that joke I'd improvised about the padded one.
Yeah. And then I improvised also and cut my laugh.
ये है padded item. ये जो है fluorescent है. अंधेरे में भी चमकता है.
That was what was good. If he would, I would improvise, he would take it further.
Yeah.
If he
Don't
would
get
do it, I
thrown.
would,
Yeah.
we would take
But
it
that is
further
what
and
is
further.
called chemistry once
Yeah, I
again.
guess that
I
is
guess
what
that
is
is
called
chemistry.
chemistry.
Very
He's
good
understanding, you know.
Farah Khan has this exterior of saying and shooting her mouth and telling it as it is. You know where you stand with Farah Khan. You are never going to hear something that is insincere. If she tells you this is you did the scene well,
This spade is spade.
this is it. And if it is bad, it's bad. So you know, so in many ways, Shireen is a lot like that. And she just, the mouth talks.
Yeah, man.
Then the mind thinks little 10 minutes later.
Sorry, yeah.
Okay, that's Farah Khan. But that is just, in my mind, that's a facade as far as I'm concerned. It is just, no, it's not the real Farah Khan. That's an honest side of Farah Khan. I think Farah basically, by nature, is a soft person.
आ गई कुछ तो